We want to build a modern manufacturing enterprise that India deserves.
To minimize cost overruns, to minimize time overruns, and this whole cultural fabric of delivering every project ahead of schedule.
We think if we have solved the problem of our suppliers, helping them get the orders, helping them buy raw material at efficient prices, helping them execute the order on time.
Net everyone benefits. For us, our customers get a wider access of suppliers, and the MSMEs get access to different kinds of demand which earlier they were not able to.
When a customer is thinking about who is the best partner that they can work with for solving their specific manufacturing requirement, we are top of mind.
Driving trust across the ecosystem, not only with the customer, but also with the supplier, with our employees, with our financing partners, and everyone else who is part of this ecosystem. One common theme which exists is our technology platform, which spreads across all these verticals. It enables us to just deep dive into a sector and scale very quickly.
So this collaborative system, which is used by internal and external stakeholders, cutting across geographies, cutting across different legs of the value chain, is what we call it as the Zetwerk operating system.
If you're having a certain design which you want to bring to market, we can guarantee that we will bring it to market the fastest possible way. Your quality will be top notch, and it will be with the price that you expect. And we'll not just do it once, we'll do it tens to hundreds to thousands of times.
We are trying to solve a very basic problem which existed in India all these years, the real inefficiencies in the supply chain.
Some of the work that we do in defense is truly making the country Atmanirbhar. We don't have to rely on some of the other countries for spares, for ensuring that our equipment uptime is 99%.
We are committed for the long run. We are committed to be your partner, not just today, but for the years to come.